what's in there?
He's telling it like it is, doesn't he?
That's gonna get him a long way.
Oh boy.
What is that?
Good girl.
What is that? Good job. Oops. Put it up in there, so you can open it. Here we go.
Don't go anywhere, Ender. There's something in that box.
Yeah, let's see what's in there.
This is from your great grandpa
Pull that out.
and Deneen.
Oh, wow. What'd you get?
Yeah.
What is he?
Oh, I hope it
Sure.
makes noise.
You want? Oh, no,
The card does.
I'm gonna help you.
Oh, you want to help? Okay, let's see. Oh, and he's wrapped up. Look, he's a puzzle with numbers and letters.
Let's not open that one now.
Right
Yeah.
now. Okay, we'll play with it in a little while. Okay?
Tomorrow.
But look at this card, Ender. On your birthday, there's no such thing as too many sweets. Happy birthday! That's from your great grandpa.